Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play RimWorld Odyssey. To begin, select a landing site with ample resources like fertile soil and nearby mountains for defense. Carefully choose your 3 starting colonists, ensuring a good mix of skills such as construction, growing, and medicine. Your immediate priorities are establishing basic shelter, securing a reliable food source, and setting up a power generator. These initial steps are crucial for your colony's survival and future prosperity. Once your initial setup is complete, focus on expanding your base. Efficiently designate zones for farming, storage, and colonist living quarters. Resource management is key. Always maintain a steady supply of essential materials like wood, steel, and components. Begin researching new technologies early to unlock advanced structures, better defenses, and improved production methods. This strategic planning will ensure your colony grows strong and self-sufficient. Your colonists are the heart of your settlement, so manage them wisely. Assign tasks according to their individual skills to boost productivity and keep them content. Ensure their mood remains high by providing diverse recreation options, delicious meals, and comfortable, clean living spaces. Simultaneously, prepare for external threats. Build robust defensive walls, strategically place auto turrets, and train your colonists for combat to repel raids and dangerous wildlife effectively. As your colony matures, consider expanding its reach. Recruit new members to bolster your workforce and establish trade routes with neighboring factions for valuable goods. Don't forget to explore the vast world map. It holds opportunities for rare resources and challenging ancient dangers. Finally, set your sights on a long-term objective, such as constructing a magnificent spaceship to escape the planet, or perhaps conquering the entire rim. The journey is yours to define.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.